Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to change the location of your data file and images in HomeManage and perhaps also your backup file. So first of all, to see where everything's being stored, you select Tools, Preferences. So at the top here, you see the folder where your database file is. There has to be a file called assets.mdb in this folder here. If not, you're going to have trouble even starting the program. Images, these are the images like these four over here that you attach to your asset records, and they're all stored as JPEG files in this folder here. And this one here is kind of self-explanatory. This is where the backup files are created whenever you do a local backup, okay? So let me also show something else. Under File, you have Go to Data folder, and this will open up the folder where you currently have your data file located. And we also have File, Go to Images folder, go to My Images folder, and this opens the folder with all the JPEG images for your program. Now let's say we want to change these locations, and I guess a good example could be, let's say we want to start working from an external hard drive. And if you're going to start working from an external hard drive to store your data and images, I would highly recommend you buy a SSD drive, it's called. And we have a few here. I actually do video editing from them, which means they have to be very fast to support video editing. So there's ones called Samsung T5, Samsung T7. You should be able to find them in your local Best Buy, or you can buy them online on Amazon, obviously. And there's also other ones you can take a look in. But we've used Samsung T5s and T7s, and they work quite well. So anyway, I'm going to kind of simulate that I've created under this F external drive. It's not an SSD drive, but it's an external drive. And I created a HomeManage and a HomeManage data folder and HomeManage images folder. So let's say I want to change the images folder where the images are stored. I'd first have to go into my folder asset images, and I would have to copy all these files from the hard drive to the external hard drive. And to do that, I can just select Control A, right mouse click, copy, and go into the images folder and either right mouse click and select paste or Control V. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so they're all copied. Now I can go back into HomeManage, Tools, Preferences, and change this images folder to, was it F? Yeah, F, HomeManage, Images, okay, okay. Now I need to exit the program. I do that by clicking on Exit here. So now I've restarted HomeManage, and when I select File, go to my Images folder, it now opens this external hard drive, HomeManage Images, and the program works as before. If you don't see any images, you haven't copied them, or maybe you've made a mistake with a new folder. So now that I've shown you how to change the folders using the program itself, let me show you the hard way to do it. And so down there, I'm typing in regedit, and now you're going to select Registry Editor, open. And what you want to do is go to HKey Current User, Software. Okay, HKey Current User, Software, Liberty Street Software, HomeManage. And you see here, it has entries for all these data folders. So you can just go ahead and manually change these folders here. Images directory, then there's a backup directory here. Backup directory here. And you can just manually change these yourself. Now, obviously, it's very important that you make sure you have the folder name spelled correctly, or you could have problems running the program. So anyways, that's it for today, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.